Hey guys, today we'll turn to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on iPhone. So in the cases you're experiencing some issues with your WhatsApp contacts that is not necessarily showing on your iPhone device. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this and fix this issue step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the settings application, and I want you to go ahead and locate the WhatsApp application on here. Scroll down until you see the WhatsApp application. I want you to tap on that, and once you're here, let's go ahead and tap on our contacts option. Now, all we need to do from here is to basically do a quick reset by toggling this off and turning it back on again. Now, you need to go ahead and double check on your WhatsAppable occasion if the contacts is gonna be shown already. And that's how you guys could quickly solve this issue. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys over in something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.